Today we'll continue with the same chapter, that is chapter number 6, angle. In that we have learned the definition of angle, how we are going to identify the vertex, what are the arms, and what are the symbols, how we are going to write the, how we are going to use the symbols while writing the name of the angle. This all thing we have learned in our previous lecture. Now we'll start with our practice set. Okay, now problem set 24, complete the following table. Now here tables are there. In that table, diagram is one column, name of the angle, then vertex, then you have to write down the arms of an angle. Now in the first diagram, it is already solved, but we will let us see that same first question also. Now in this diagram, what is the name of the angle? I have explained you that we have to write the name of the angle in clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. Clockwise means Sida or anti-clockwise means Ulta. So what will be the name of the angle? See, you are not going to write the spelling of A-N-G-L-E, angle. We are going to use the symbol of angle. So the first name of the angle is angle PQR. This is clockwise. Now, how you are going to write the anti-clockwise? That is angle RQP. Yes. Now here, what is the vertex? Vertex means the common arm which we are going to use on both the arms. Now here the common is what? The common is Q. So the vertex is what? Vertex is our Q. Now next, arm of an angle. Arm कितना है यहाँ पे? There are two arms. There are how many arms? Two arms. That is arm. First it is QP and then it is QR. With the vertex. Vertex के साथ ही हमको arms लिखने. We are not going to write the arm PQ. That is wrong. QP and QR are the two arms of the angle PQR. In this way, we are going to solve the second one. Now, I want answers in the chat box. What is the name of the angle in the second diagram? The second diagram ka, what is the name of the angle? I'll just make the screen big. Okay. Now, what is the name of the angle? Now, here the name of the angle, very good. First, clockwise and then anti-clockwise. The name of the angle is angle LMN and other angle, very nice, NML. NML. Clear? Clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. Now, second is what? What is the vertex? Now, here, what is the vertex? Very nice. The vertex is M. M is our vertex. This is our vertex. M क्या है हमारा? Vertex है. Okay. Now, दोनों arms, tell me the arms name. Very nice. The arm first, it is ML and MN. See, vertex के साथ ही हमको arms लिखने हैं. Vertex is our M, so it will be ML or MN. Clear? Okay. Now the third diagram. Now the third diagram, what is the name of the angle? What is the name of the angle? Very nice. SU. Very nice. Angle. Symbols लिखना है आपको. Angle SUT. Okay. And anti-clockwise and clockwise, both the things you have to write. Angle TUS. TUS. Now here, what is the vertex? What is the vertex? Very good. It is, here is the vertex is and U. Vertex क्या है हमारा? U. Now what is the arm? Now arms क्या है? Very nice. U-S-U-T. Very good. Arm is U-S-U-T. This is the arm of the angle S-U-T. Clear? I hope everyone has understood how to identify the name of the angle, clockwise, anti-clockwise, then vertex, and then the arm of the angle. So you need to write down in your textbook page number 35 is there, this diagram is there, and problem set 24 you need to write down in that. I'll give you 1 minute for writing the answers in the textbook only. Yes, now we are going to learn what is the protector. Now, what is the protector? Now, a protector is used to measure an angle and also to draw an angle according to the given measure. Now, you can see this picture. See, this is the picture of protector. In your geometry box, it is there and it is called as protector. What it is called as protector. Now protector आपको क्या काम आता है? Why it is, how it is used? It is used to measure an angle. हम लोग protector से angles भी measure कर सकते हैं और angle draw भी कर सकते हैं. Both the things we can do with the protector. We can use the protector for drawing an angle or for measuring an angle. So what is protector? If the definition will come or if the fill in the blanks will come, what is protector? A protector is used to measure an angle and also draw an angle according to the given measurement. Now next is what? Next we will learn how you are going to bifurcate or how you are going to observe what are the things inside the protector. Now first of all we will see the shapes of the protector. Now protector का shape कैसा है? It is not fully circle, पूरा circle whole नहीं है, it is half. So that is what? That is a semi-circular in shape. Protector कभी भी क्या होता है? सेमी सर्कुलर शेप में होता है, आधा होता है, इट इज नॉट कंप्लीट. ओके, द semicircular edge of a protector is divided into 180 equal parts. You can see over here it is divided into 180 equal parts. See यहाँ पे numbers है 0, 10. You can see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. यहाँ तक पूरा कहाँ तक end हुआ है वो? Till 180. So the semicircular edge, इसका जो edge है, इसका ये edge जो है वो कहाँ तक divide होता है? It is divided into 180 equal parts. You can see with the help of protector, which is with you only, you can remove the protector from the geometry box and you can see over there also. So a protector is also a semicircular in shape and a protector is divided into how many equal parts? It is divided into 180 equal parts. Now each part is 1 degree. 1 degree is written as. Now how we will write degree? See this small circle. This is what? This is our degree. If I write 1 degree, that means 1 और इसके ऊपर एक छोटा circle. This is what? Degree. This is what? Degree. So each part of 1 degree is written as 1 and उसके ऊपर degree का symbol. This is the symbol of degree. If I write 20 degrees, so what I will write? 20 and this is degree. I will not write the spelling of degree. Spelling of degree I'm not going to write. I'm going to use the symbol. How I said the angle symbol, the same way the degree is also having the symbol. So a small circle, chota sa dot is what? That is our degree and it is only written up of the number के ऊपर में लिखते. If you will write 20 and here degree, it is wrong. How you will have to write down? You have to write down 30 degree should be up. Is it clear? Okay. Now next part is, see, the division on a protector, that is the degree, can be marked in two way. It is marked in the two way. Now you can see in the protector, left side and right side, both the side numbers are given from 0 to 180, and that also from left side also 0 to 180, and right side also 0 to 80. So it is divided into two way. It is divided, the degree can be marked, and it is divided into two way. The division 0, 10, 20, 30 till 80 are marked anti-clockwise, or from right to left, the division 0, 10, 20, 30 are also marked clockwise. See how we are going to write down the name of the angle clockwise also and anti-clockwise also. The same way you are going to measure. You're going to measure the angle, or you're going to draw the angle in clockwise also or anti-clockwise also. आप left से right भी रख सकते हो और right से left भी ले सकते हो. So a protector is marked into, the degree is marked into two way, left to right also and right to left also, clockwise as well as anti-clockwise. The center of the circle of which the protector is a half, अभी बीच में जो है वो होता है हाफ, is called the center of the protector. जो बीच का पार्ट है, see this is the center part, this is the center part. तो ये क्या है, ये हमारा हाफ होता है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज सेंटर ऑफ द प्रोटेक्टर. नाउ नेक्स्ट, और डायामीटर. नाउ डायामीटर क्या होता है, दिस इज द बेस. ये जो बेस है ये हमारा क्या होता है, डायामीटर. द डायामीटर ऑफ दैट सर्कल इज द बेस लाइन और द लाइन ऑफ रेफरेंस ऑफ द प्रोटेक्टर. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस बेस ओनली वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ, और वी आर गोइंग टू measure the angle by putting that base whenever the figures are given. So what I have explained you regarding the protector. The main thing, protector हमको किसके लिए use होता है, for measuring or for drawing an angle. Next, protector is always semicircular in shape. Now protector का edge कितने divided हुआ है, it is divided into 180 equal part. Then I have explained you the degree, how you are going to write the degree symbol of how you are going to mark it, the degree. Then it is, we can draw an angle anti-clockwise also or clockwise also with the help of the protector. Last part we have learned that the center of the circle of which the protector is half, that is called as the center of the protector, and the diameter is the baseline. With that only we are going to draw the diagram. Is it clear? Okay, now we are going to see how the angles given below have been measured with the help of a protector. अभी protector के साथ हम लोग कैसे measure करेंगे, I'll show you with the help of the diagram. One by one we will see. See the first diagram. Now first diagram it is given, this is the base. This is the base of an protector. ये straight है. Now here this is one line and another line is in which number? You can see it is in which number? Yes, it is given in the 100. How you have understood that it is given in the 100 number? By observing it. See, I have made the line on which side? First I have made the line on the लेफ्ट साइड में जब मैं रखती हूँ तब मुझे कौन से नंबर देखने हैं, ये ऊपर के नंबर देखने हैं. अगर मैं लेफ्ट साइड रखती हूँ तो मुझे कौन से साइड के नंबर देखने हैं, ऊपर के नंबर. ना ऊपर के नंबर में वेयर द लाइन एंड दिस लाइन इज इट्स एंडिंग इन द 100 number. So it is how much degree? It is 100 degree. It is how much degree? It is 100 degree. See, if you are putting or making the line on left side, you are going to see the number of the upper one. And if you are going to put the line or you are going to make the line on the right side, that time you are going to see the number from the downward. यहाँ से देखना है आपको, फिर कहाँ से देखना है? यहाँ से. See the difference how you are going to make the diagram or how you are going to use the things while making the angles. Whenever we are making a line in the left side, whenever we are making a line and we are putting our protector on the left side, we are going to see the number of the upper one. And whenever we are putting the protector on the right side, that time we have to see the numbers from the downward. I'll show you how you are going to make the diagram. First, we will learn how we are going to observe the diagram and how we are going to identify that how much is the degree given over there. Now, in the first diagram is the protector is kept on the left side. यहाँ पे रखा है. So there, how much degree it is given? 100 degree. Okay. Now we'll see the second diagram. Now here in the second diagram, the protector is kept on right side और line second line किधर है? एकदम सीधे. It is in which number? It is in the 90 number. So this is how much degree angle? This is 90 degree angle. This is how much degree angle? It is 90 degree angle. Now we'll see the third figure. See, now you tell me the protector is kept in which side first? Left side or right side? First, I want the protector is kept on which side? Left side or right side? Very good. It is kept on the left side. So हमको ऊपर के नंबर देखने हैं या नीचे के? Up or down? Which number I have to see? Very good. We have to see the up number. So how much degree angle it is? How much degree angle it is made? Very good. It is made 50 degree angle. How much degree angle? It is 50 degree angle. Very nice. Now we'll see the last figure. Next figure. Okay. Now here left side or right side the protector is kept? Left side or right side? Very good. It is kept on the right side. Up number or down number? Which number we will see? Very nice. We will see the down number. So it is how much degree? It is how much degree? No, 45 is wrong answer. 180, no. 145, no. Down number is what? Down number is? Yes, very good. That is 35 degrees. See, I'll explain you how it comes 35 degrees. See, this is the line which we have drawn from right side. Right side, I told it should be written, it should be observe the downward. ऊपर का नहीं, नीचे का. Now here it is 0, 10, 20, 30. 30 की आगे की लाइंस जो छोटे हैं वो हमको काउंट करने, बिकॉज 30 और 40 के बीच में लाइन ड्रॉ है. दिस इज इन द सेंटर ऑफ 30 एंड 40. सो 30 के बाद के कितने लाइन है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. सो इट इज हाउ मच डिग्री? इट इज 35 डिग्री. इट इज नॉट 45 डिग्री. इट इज नॉट 145 डिग्री. हम ऊपर का कब देखते हैं? आई टोल्ड यू whenever we are putting our protector on the left side, that time we'll see the upper number. But now we have put the protector on the right side, so we have to see the down number. और down number क्या है? 10, 20, 30. 30 के बाद आगे के छोटे छोटे 5 लाइन है, so that also will count, so it become 35 degree. So in this way we are going to observe how much degree is that angle with the help of the protector. Now problem set 25. measure the angle given below and write the measure in the given boxes. Now you are going to measure the angle. Now here in the first diagram, we are going to put our protector. Which side? First let me know which side we are going to put our protector, left side or right side? Very good. We are going to put the protector on the right side. Very nice. Right side हम protector put करेंगे. Now how much degree is the first diagram? Right side means you have to see the downward. Now measure the diagram. In your textbook, it is given in page number 37. And let me know the first answer from you people only. Very nice. Students are giving me the answer that it is how much degree? It is 40 degree. How much degree it is? It is how much? It is 40 degree. Very good. The first is 40 degree. Okay. Now 40 degree means it is which type of angle? कौन सा type का angle है 40 degree? Very good. It is acute angle. It is which type of angle? It is acute angle. Okay. Now we'll see the next one, next figure. Now next figure हमको देखने से ही मालूम पड़ रहा है it is obtuse angle. Okay. Now obtuse angle देख के ही मालूम पड़ा है, but it should be how much degree? Measure the degree and let me know the answer. Yes, very good. No 65 नहीं. यहाँ पे हमको कहाँ पे रख के लिखना है आप देखो. No Aniket 100 नहीं. No Adarsh. It is not 115. See it properly. No 105 भी नहीं है. Yes Swara, very good. You have given the right answer. No Kanishka. Rushikesh wrong. Krutika right. Very good. Pradyuman right. Wrong. No Tanisha. It is not 130 degree. Just see it properly. Properly measure करो and let me know the answers. सबका आंसर मुझे right चाहिए. आपको बराबर से रखना है और measure करना है. 140 भी नहीं है. No. It is how much degree? Yes, very nice. It is 120 degree. It is how much degree? It is 120. It is not 115 also. Check it properly. See, आपका थोड़ा भी अगर प्रोटेक्टर हिरेगा तो एक दो लाइन भी मिस हो जाती है, तो आपको प्रोटेक्टर प्रॉपरली रख के देखना है कितना मेजरमेंट है. इट इज हाउ मच? वेरी गुड. इट इज 120 डिग्री. इट इज 120. ओके. नाउ द थर्ड फिगर. चलो थर्ड फिगर तो वेरी इजीली यू कैन सी. Very good, very good. It is showing also the shape of right angle, and after measuring it also, it will be also a 90 degree angle. It is also a 90 degree angle. Very good. अभी मुझे last देखना है, last का आपको कितना डिग्री मिलता है. चलो, measure it properly the last angle, and let me know the answer of the last angle. 20? No, no Avnesh, 80 भी नहीं है. Properly. Yes Swara. Adarsh, very good. Right है. Sakshi, no. Pradyuman नहीं. No. It is not 179. Oh बाबा 179 obtuse angle दिख रहा ही नहीं है, तो obtuse angle का measure कैसे आएगा? No Samyak, it is right angle. No 90 degree नहीं है वो. सब लोग ध्यान से देखो. It is not an obtuse angle, not a right angle. It is means which type of angle? It should be a acute angle. So measure it properly. Acute angle का अभी इसका measure देखो कितना आएगा. No Tanisha 55 degree wrong. आदित्य थोड़ा सा दूर पे है तुम. You have written 80 degree. It is not 80 degree. Properly. Very good. Now I'm getting the answer. Very nice. It is 85 degree. It is what? It is 85 degree. It is how much degree? 85. 80 के आगे छोटे छोटे 5 लाइन है. That become 85 degree. Not a obtuse angle, not a right angle. It is an acute angle. सी आपको मेजर्स बहुत अच्छे से ध्यान से करना है, एक एक लाइन एक एक पॉइंट का भी मार्क्स होता है. इफ यू आर राइटिंग 84 डिग्री इन द एग्जाम आफ्टर मेजरिंग द एंगल, दैट विल बी रॉन्ग. Here we are not going to see the spelling. यहाँ पे हमको spelling नहीं देखना है, मैथ्स में हमको आंसर्स देखने हैं. So 85 is our right answer. So 85 degree is the right answers of the last figure. Okay. So here we have done with our practice set 25 also. Now we are going to start with our problem set 26. Now in problem set 26, you are going to draw and name the angle with the help of the protector. आपको protector के साथ diagram बनाने हैं. With the help of protector, you are going to make the angle and you are going to name the angle also. I'll explain you first and then you are going to do it in your notebook. Okay. Okay, now we are going to start with problem set 26. Okay, now problem set 26, I'll explain you one example sum and other rest all the sums we are going to do it. Now first I'm going to explain you how you are going to draw a 70 degree. 70 degree हम कैसे draw करेंगे. Okay, मेरे साथ ही साथ आपको भी करना है. And afterward I'll check who have done or who have not done. So the first angle measure is 70 degree. The first thing, see, I'm making the things with pen, but you are going to make with pencil, because if I make with pencil, it will be light. It can't be able to see. So I'll make with the pen, but you people will make with the pencil only. Okay. Now, first of all, you are going to make a line. एक line आपको बनाना है. कभी भी whenever we are making line, it should be drawn on the line only. हाँ, line पे ही बनाना है. And make, don't make in front of the question. Take some space, थोड़े से नीचे center में बनाओ, so that whenever we are marking the degree, it should go up. अगर यहाँ पे मैं बनाऊंगी तो it will go here. So question के थोड़ा सा नीचे you are going to make a line. Clear? You are going to make a line over there. So I make a line over here. It should be not more, बड़ा भी नहीं होना चाहिए, छोटा भी होना चाहिए. Clear? दिखा सबको? I have made a line. Okay. Now 70 degree. I am going to put my protector on the left side. ये होता है left side. अगर मैं यहाँ पे रखूंगी तो लेफ्ट साइड होगा, यहाँ पे रखूंगी तो वो राइट साइड होगा. So I'm going to put my protector on the left side. See, क्या करना है, ये जो बेस है हमारा, ये जो बेस है, ये जो बेस है आपका, और ये जो सेंटर में, दिस इज व्हाट लाइन है, इसको आपको यहाँ पे रखना है. कहाँ पे? यहाँ पे. सी फर्स्ट, सी हियर, दिस इज द बेस. ये लाइन है बेस, और ये जो बीच का जो सेंटर है उसको हमको कहाँ पे रखना है? यहाँ पे. आई पुट ओवर हियर. लाइन पे लाइन होना चाहिए. सी, लाइन के ऊपर लाइन, ये लाइन के ऊपर ही लाइन है मेरा, बेस मेरे लाइन पे ही है. नाउ हाउ मच मेजरमेंट? इट इज 70. सो यू आर गोइंग टू सी द डाउनवर्ड. डाउनवर्ड कहाँ है? 10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. ये 70 का लाइन. सी हियर, पुट अ स्मॉल डॉट, remove it. Now it is what? 70 dots. So we are going to join this line and this line. See how I am doing? That same way you are going to do. I have joined the line. Clear? I have joined the line. Now here I have made the diagram, but we have to give the name to the diagram. It is how much degree? We have to put here. It is 70 degree. It is how much degree? It is 70 degree. What is the name of the angle? That is A, B, C. You are going to give the name of the angle, that is angle ABC. Now angle ABC is how much degree? Angle ABC is 70 degrees. So I'll write over here angle ABC equal to 70 degree. So as I complete all the things, then only my diagram will be completed. अगर आपने कुछ भी miss out किया तो आपका diagram complete नहीं. Is it clear how you are going to do? One more time I'll repeat. First you will make a line. Then with the help of the protector, you are going to make 70 degree. यहाँ पे dot डालना है. Then make a line, joint करना है. Then give the name of the angle, that is ABC, and how much degree we have made? We have made 70 degree. Here we have the diagram. Then we have to write. हमने क्या बनाया? Angle. तो angle का symbol, angle ABC equal to 70 degree. Clear everyone? Okay. Now I'll make the second example sum. That is how much degree it should be. Okay, I'll make a 110 degree angle. Now I'll make how much degree angle? 110 degree angle. Chalo. Now first what I should do? Here I will make a line. Here I will going to make a line. Chalo. First I will make the line. Okay, my scale is here. Okay, I'll make a line over here. Okay, I have made the line. Now second thing what I should do, with the help of the protector, I am going to take how many degree angle? 110. मैं वापस से लेफ्ट साइड ही रख रही हूँ. मेरा बेस और जो सेंटर है वो मैंने ज्वाइंट किया है यहाँ पे. Where is my 110? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Here is my 110. I'll make a small dot over there. मैंने dot बनाया. I have removed it. Now the next step is we are going to join the line. So I have made a line over here. कभी भी डॉट के थोड़ा सा आगे लाइन होना चाहिए. So here I have made a angle. Now what is the measure of that angle? That is 110 degree. It is how much degree? It is 110 degree. I'll give the name, that is P, Q, R. You can give any name. It is of your choice, but it should be not randomly. जैसे कि मैंने P, S, W नहीं दिया है. P, Q, R. Alphabet wise ही चाहिए. Okay. I'll write over here angle P, Q, R equal to 110 degree. So it is looking like which type of angle? It is looking like an obtuse angle. More than 90 degree, that is 110 degree only. So it will look like an angle of obtuse angle. Clear everyone? It's very easy. आपको सिर्फ समझना है. Clear? Okay, now I'll check the angles whichever you have made.